Salsa Choreography, JALA JALA, Part 3, Salsa Combination. 3, let's go, back basic, and double turn, back, 2, 3, touch and go, 5, 6, 7, to the back, swap, 2, 3, to the wrist, throw, over the head and down. Now with the head in, catching both hands and a wave, 6, 7. We raise both hands and now we do the touch and go, which is 1 turn, and from here, I'm releasing the left hand, catching it again, and another turn. This is it. Now we go to the back, we do the swap, and now notice my right hand, I switch to the wrist, we throw on 5, let's do slow motion, we throw, and then we continue the movement with our hand. We can also lock her hand here, so we actually control it. We get both of our hands, and we put our hands inside. Your partner will leave her hand on your back. Now we just use your head going in. We catch both hands. We change the legs now. You use both of your hands here, and now you're going to do the throw. First time without the wave, you're going to throw the hands from up to down to behind, yes, going behind her here. So you don't put your hands there, you just move them very close there, and then you throw to be more clear and smooth with your leading. Here, you throw, bam, and then you catch. Now we do it the same, now with the wave. It was here, hands from here, and now you start the wave. Let's do it from this angle. So, your partner will wave straight, you're waving straight, but not on the same line. Here. Hands are here. Now you wave and you catch. Exactly. Let's do the other angle. Let's start from the swap, back, back, 2, 3, throw, and 5. Notice here I lock her hand with my fingers here. This is the trick. Now I create a window here, elbow goes a bit out. Yeah, this is it. She will keep her hands here. I'm only using my head going under and up. Now I catch the hands here, exactly like we did before. Guys, you're gonna wave not on your partner, just to the side. I'm gonna throw and do the wave, 6, 7, or I don't know what's the count there. It will be with the music. Start 1 basic, 3, let's go. Back basic, and double turn. Back, 2, 3, touch and go, 5, 6, 7, to the back, swap, 2, 3, to the wrist, throw, over the head and down. Now with the head in, catching both hands and a wave, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, basic. Now back basic and double turn, let's go. 6, 7, to the back, back, 2, 3, touch and go again, 5, 6, 7, to the back, back, 2, 3, to the wrist, throw on 5, over the head, 7. Now, head inside, catching with both hands here, we change the position here, now we throw with both hands down, here, to the back, and we do the wave at the same time. Wave, 2, 3, or 6, 7, whatever you want. It will be with the music. Now, faster. Back basic, let's go. Double turn. Touch and go. 6, 7, back. Over the head. And wave.